Hello, this time I will explain to you how you can just work with your column. Right from the beginning, the previous lecture, I explained to you that this is group A, group B, group C, and all the one that is just in this row is called a what? Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Now, let me just explain to you if I want to how you can just adjust your column. So if you want to adjust your column, sometimes you may just take your mouse to this place. One is change color to, yeah, just click on it. Now you click on it and you just move it so that to just contain that's the alphabet or the text you have typed into it. So you can expand or just increase that of the column by just placing your mouse to that of the line that divide both A and B or that of the particular alphabet. Then you drag it by pressing down your right your mouse down, your right button down, and move it to just so that it will contain that text. But sometimes you can also do it in this format whereby, let me return it back. You can also do it in this format whereby you just go to you take your mouse out to the format. The first thing you have to do is to just do what, click on it, so that it will be, the computer will know where you want to work on. Then you click on the format, click on that of the drop arrow, then you see that of the column, how this thing, see the arrow, it is facing both left and right, and then you click on it, so it will give you because right from there it is 8.343 that is been there, the recommendation number. Then I can see increase it to about a 15. Let me say 15.5. Then I click on OK. So once I click on OK, it's expand, it make that, it increase that of the column or that of the particular text. Sometimes you may even just want to just close a text. So all you have to do is to just make sure you just bring your mouse at the band near here and at the line that divide both it. If you want to just close letter F, then I'll just drag it towards that and close that the thing totally to the extent that it will not exist, so it will now remain only E and T. So sometimes you may be working that it requires you to just close it so that to bring the text together. And these are the way you can use to work on the column in Microsoft Excel.